Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to fix Microsoft Office stuck at finalizing installation. So let's get started into the video. So this problem occurs because the Microsoft Office is installing too many updates which may take forever and also take about 10 GB of storage. Start the installation normally and wait for the finalizing installation screen to pop up. When the finalizing installation screen pops up, you have to wait for 10 minutes or it may get corrupted. After waiting for 10 minutes, right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. Right-click the Setup Bootstrapper and click End Task. Then open Microsoft Word and then close it. And then finally restart your computer. Then problem is fixed. If you don't restart your computer, the Microsoft Office will deleting itself. So be aware. Thanks for watching.